In this course, we're taught to be designing and the manufacturing of a human-powered vehicle, which involves designing for cost, safety, manufacturing, reliability, environment, and economics. We started by looking at previous working designs of Delta, Tadpole, and even hand trikes. Once we agreed upon a working model on which to base our design off of, we began designing our Tadpole Trike in SolidWorks. And once the design was done, we now had to buy the materials and come up with a cost analysis. Thereafter, we began manufacturing, which involved cutting up old bicycle parts and fusing them with new steel pipes in order to create a all-rounded HPV frame. Once the frame was done, we painted it in order to make it aesthetically pleasing. Once the designing and the manufacturing of the HPV was done, the next step was to perform testing. We started by performing failure mode and effects analysis, which was coupled with physical testing. In this photo, you can see the rider in a potential accident position. And in this case, the RPS does protect the user from hitting the ground. Manual side load testing was also performed on the RPS, and this further proved that it was a strong structure. Next, we tested the suspension and found out that it worked pretty well. Additionally, we had to test the turning radius in order to see if the turning radius physically was in line with our theoretical calculated turning radius. More so, we had to test our HPV on a grassy terrain in order to see how it would perform on different types of terrain. And finally, our last test was braking. In this test, we compared the braking of our HPV to the braking of a standard bicycle. And with passing all these tests, I can say we successfully designed and manufactured a human-powered vehicle.